How to manage setup notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage setup notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this one and the three points and the top corner, and then click settings, and then go down and you will find here notifications. Click on it and then go down and you will find setup here, and then if you want to turn it off just click on it, and as you see setup has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, all you need to do is just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.